Good morning, class 4. Welcome to Dipti Bridgewell School digital class. This is for class 4, subject English language, worksheet A1. That means for anyone, this is the worksheet number 1, chapter number 15. Okay? And the name of the chapter is verbs. So first of all, it is very necessary to know what are verbs. As I have given in the definition, verbs are doing words. That means it does something. The action, it is also called action words. That means the action done by the subject. Means from morning to night till the time of sleeping, we do so many things in our daily activity, in our daily routine, and we use verbs, so many action words. I am teaching, that means teaching. I am doing something, something is being done by me. What? Teaching, that means teaching verb. You are listening to me, listening is verb. You are playing, you are going somewhere, going verb. You are eating, eating verb. Means there are so many action words which we use in our daily life, but we have to note that what are the verbs? Doing words. Something is being done by the subject. Action word. If you are beating someone, you are slapping someone, you are singing something, that means you will find so many verbs. So try to make a list in your rough pages that from morning to night, what are the action words that are used by you. Okay? So these verbs are doing words, they are also called action words. This is the definition you have to write in copy. Okay? So first you will put the date in copy, you will write the definition of verbs. And the first exercise we are coming underline the verbs. Means I have written 3 sentences here, and each and every sentence what you have to do? Only underline the verbs. The first sentence is I found a coin yesterday. I found a coin yesterday. What is the action word? What is the doing word in this sentence? Action, doing word, action word, verb. Okay, we are giving it 3 names: doing word, action word, verbs. But it is the same one. I found a coin yesterday. So what is the action word? Found. You have to underline like this. I found. I is subject. And what is the action word that is being done by the subject? Found. He has, I, that means found something. What? A coin yesterday. So found is an action word. The second sentence, mother was searching for the keys. Okay? Mother is subject here. So what is it being done by the subject? Was searching. That means mother was searching something. What searching? For the keys. That means what was the action done by mother? Searching. Searching, that is called the main verb, and was, that is called the helping verb or auxiliary verb. So was searching is verb, action word. Sentence number 3, Anita looks cheerful today. What is the verb in this sentence? Tell me. Anita looks cheerful today. Looks is action word. Means how does Anita look? Cheerful. This is not a verb. The verb is looks. So your homework is do 4 to 10 of exercise 1. 4 to 10. Why? Because I have explained number 1, 2, 3. Or in exercise 1, number 10. So you have to do 4 to 10 of exercise 1 in English language copy. Okay. One more thing I want to explain, that you are proceeding towards the annual syllabus. So first of all, means before doing this homeworks in copy, you have to make it partition. Like in the previous classes, we have done partition of folding the pages and writing annual exam. After that, you will start. Okay. Thank you.